Given that ln set x plus y equals to exponent xy, find dy dx. So, the first step, we can use the formula or the rules of log, which is ln a to the power of b, where we can bring down the power b and times with ln a. So if we have ln set x plus y equals to exponent xy, we can apply the rule just now to this question, which is ln x plus y to the power of 1 over 2 equals to exponent xy, and we can bring down the power 1 over 2 in the front and write down ln x plus y equals to exponent xy. Now we can start our differentiations. So we know that if we have ln x plus y, we can differentiate as 1 over 2, differentiate x plus y is 1 plus dy dx, divide with, copy down x plus y, equals to, and differentiate exponent xy is, differentiate xy, we need to use product rules, which is x, differentiate y is dy dx, plus y and differentiate x is 1, and times with exponent xy. Now let us simplify this. So we can write down as 1 plus dy dx divide with 2 times x plus y equals to x dy dx times with exponent xy is exponent xy there, plus y times with exponent xy is y exponent xy, and we can cross multiply the 2x plus y in the denominator. 1 plus dy dx equals to 2x plus y times with x, I rearrange it, exponent xy, dy dx plus 2x plus y, y exponent xy, and let us bring all the dy dx to the left hand side. Dy dx, we bring the 2x plus y, x exponent xy, dy dx to the left hand side here, and it becomes minus 2x plus y, x exponent xy, dy dx, which is equals to 2x plus y, y exponent xy, and we bring 1 to the right hand side, minus with 1. Let us factorize the dy dx, and we get 1 minus 2x plus y, x exponent xy, equals to 2x plus y, y exponent xy minus 1, and our dy dx is, cross multiply again, 2x plus y, y exponent xy minus 1, divide with 1 minus 2x plus y, x exponent xy. My bad here. Exponent xy supposedly. and that is for the first derivative of ln set x plus y equals to exponent xy.